to take the tickets. Ito po yung friendship ko na papunta ng Australia. Ready na yan. Kami po ay magpapaload ng ticket.
Loadan ba to?
Ticket.
Areko?
Touchscreen, follow instruction, pay method, take your ticket, change receipt, please let us know.
Akin na, dito. Ano yung card?
We are here, Batuta. Going there. Narating mo ba yon? Okay, we are in Dubai. We will going to Al Ghurair Mall. Going to Swiss Hotel para umattend ng seminar for okay.
Hindi pa dito masyado camera.
Tawid na kami. We are in Al Ghurair Mall. And at the back of Al Ghurair Mall, there is the Swiss Hotel where we will attend the seminar for Australian migration. Okay, tapos na ang aming seminar. So, salamat sa mga information na nakuha namin. And see you Australia na lang. Ay, sarado pala ito. Hindi niya kasi binubuksan. Hindi niya kasi buksan eh. Swiss Hotel. Bye bye Dubai.